Now it's time to control what's gonna happen if we touch the black or green. By the way, we can set also timer. To set a timer, we have to go with variable. I will say make a variable and I will call it timer. And the timer is here. And now let's go with the controlling part. First of all, we will set the timer to 0. Okay. By the way, I want everything function when I press the space. That's why I will get another space when I press space. I will get when I press space, and it has to be checked every time. That's why I place forever, and over the forever I will go to variables and I'll say set my variable to 0, not my variable timer. Timer gonna be 0. And the next, we will change the timer by 0.1 second by 0.1. So to make this control well, I firstly have to make it wait 0.1 second wait, and then I'm gonna change after waiting 0.1 second to change by 0.1. It's gonna be very easy. We have to go to variable. We will just say change timer by 0.1. Let's start and try what's gonna happen. As you see, timer is increasing 0.1 by 0.1. So every time you wait 0.1 second and it change by 0.1, it will make this exactly work as it should be. Okay, before we set the conditions of what's gonna happen when we touch the black and green, we have to set the these warning and congratulation backgrounds like try again and success. We have to go to backdrop and we have to just first name the main stage as a game, and the second one gonna be paint. We will just click on the T and write success. Success will be used when we make a game go successfully by touching the green, and we have to show this. And by the way, I can change the name of the backdrop to success. And one more time, we have to also do what's gonna show up when we fail. It has to say failed, and the name gonna be also failed. And now we go back to code and make sure we you leave the backstage in a game. Okay. Now if we touch the color of black, and we have to control this from the if, and from the sensing we will just say color options, and we can choose the from eyedropper, just point the color and we set this black. If we touch the color of black, and we have to first show the fail, we can go to from the looks, we would say switch backdrop to fail, and it will show as 3 seconds. So we have to show the screen, and then it has to make the game start over. I will just make my car to come to the start point, and I will go to motions to get the coordinates of the start point. As you see, every object has a coordinates X and Y. If you want, you can take this manually from here, or you can just put this to the start point and go to motions and take go to from here. So the coordinate is minus 69 to 95. So every time the game gonna start from here. By the way, I need to also make the direction of this. So its direction was 90 degrees. I can make this 80, okay. And we can go back to stage to game. We go to looks, and then we will get the switch backdrop to game. And by the way, we will stop everything, including timer, motor control. So we have to take stop all. Let's do it one more time. We will press space, and the car is moving, so it says failed, and then after 3 seconds the car starts from here. I press space one more time, so nothing happens when I press the green, when I go over the green. So to do this I have to get another block. I will get if, another if, and I will say touching color to green. By the way, I can use the eyedropper, and I will say switch backdrop to success this time. Okay, so I will wait one more time, 3 seconds, and then it has to go to start point again. I can take these codes, I can duplicate those, and it will say success. After 3 seconds go back to start point, and then it has to say game, back to game, and then it's gonna be over again. Let's see what's gonna happen. Now we're gonna press space one more time. By the way, it was touching, the exhaust fumes was touching to the green spots. Maybe we can change its location a little bit forward, a little bit away from the green line. I can make this -64. Okay, so not 69, we will do this -64 to in everyone. Okay, so I will keep playing, press space to reset the game. I press the arrow keys, and now it says success, and after 3 seconds it starts over. As you see, exhaust fumes is not contacting with green anymore because we set it a little bit away from the D spot. Now I press space one more time, I hit accidentally to black, and it says failed. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the project. We will try to do another project games where you're gonna have the different levels. It will be more challenging. We will have different variables. It will show us also record, and it will show us how many times we tried. Hope you will keep following our projects. See you another tutorial. Bye bye.